channel. So good to have you back. My name is Ida Francis and I'm so happy that you are joining me today. Today in this video we are going to be making the flaxseed shampoo. You know, when it comes to hair care, nothing is a waste. So after extracting the gel out of it, I have the seeds, so I'm gonna be blending this and adding other ingredients, which I'm gonna make a shampoo that I'll be using for my hair. You know that the flaxseed has a lot of nutrients that is very helpful for the hair. It balances the pH levels. It actually contains a lot of fatty acids, omega-3 fatty acids. It contains a lot of vitamin E, which is very good for the hair. Okay, so if you really want to know how I'm going to make this, turn the seeds into a shampoo that we can actually use to moisturize our hair, or even use to wash our hair to improve and give us a better and a shinier hair growth. So just stick by. But before we go, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the bell that's just right beside the subscribe button. That way you will not miss any of my interesting videos like this one, because I upload videos daily on this channel. Okay, so without taking so much of your time, let's go and see how we could actually turn the seeds into a shampoo. Okay, so I've actually turned my flaxseed gel, my flaxseed into a blender cup, and I'm going to have like 1 cup of water. So 1 cup of water to blend it out. Kindly note that this is after I have taken out the gel out of the flaxseed. Okay, so this is what I have after blending, and I'm gonna place this and squeeze the juice out of it. Okay, so after taking out the flaxseed gel, the flaxseed juice, you can actually like add your shampoo to it, any shampoo of your choice. But in this case, I added my black soap to it because recently I'm obsessed with the black soap. So I'm just gonna turn this into a bottle. These are the 2 bottles of the flaxseed shampoo that I made. Okay, so I'm going to be using this to wash my hair on my wash day, which is actually very soon. So when I'm washing my hair, I'm actually going to show you and tell you how I actually enjoyed making this flaxseed gel. It's actually very easy to make after flaxseed shampoo. So after boiling and extracting the gel, the next thing you are going to do is to take the flax seeds, blend it together. When you blend it, just add water. I added my own, like 1.5 cups of water, and you're gonna use your sieve cloth to extract the juice. Then you can mix it with any of your shampoos, but me, I used the black soap shampoo. I used the African black soap. Let me show you how it looks. Okay, so this is how the African black soap looks like. So I actually melted this African black soap in hot water, because once you put it inside hot water, it's definitely going to melt, and once it melts, you are going to sieve it because it has some sand and some particles in it. So it's always advisable to sieve your black soap before using it. Then you mix it and turn it into any container that you have, and your shampoo is ready. I will advise you keep this refrigerated because the flaxseed is actually very creamy and all of that, so I don't think it will like a temperature if you don't keep it refrigerated. So it's definitely going to spoil if you don't refrigerate it. Hope you actually enjoy this video and you actually learned something. At least you can comfortably now make your own shampoo at home. So if you find this video helpful and interesting in any way, please do not forget to give your girl a huge thumbs up, like this, a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. That way you will always be notified anytime I post a new and interesting content. So if you have further questions or issues that you think I did not cover while recording this video, kindly let me know in the comment section down below, and do not forget to feel free to send me a DM on my Instagram account as well, and we just gonna talk. So go try this out and let me know what you think, okay? So until another time when I will come your way, my name is Francis.